Hey, ladies. What you doing, pretty girls? Bah. Hey, pretty girls. Hello. He's part of a group that just walked through the yard. These three decided to come up close and say hello, apparently. All right, y'all have a good night, beauties. See you later.